Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on the Binance trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are inside the homepage, if you wish to change your currency that is used to display the various prices, then just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right. And now you will see the currency section. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can choose from the various different currencies that are available. After choosing your desired currency, it will be applied to the application right away. And now when you go back into the home or the market page, you can see that your chosen currency is now being used to display the prices. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Binance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.